Hi guys, it's Coach Awaiz here, your personal trainer and nutritionist. Today's topic, are you still hungry while losing weight? Most of the people, when they start following any nutrition program or diet plan, they fail because they become so hungry. Most of the diet plans are calories restricted, your body is not used to. Therefore, you fail to follow them and consequently you eat the food the way you normally used to eat, and the food you eat which is not really into that diet plan, and you end up eating those unwanted calories. Today I will tell you how to cope this problem. First of all, I'll tell you why it happens. When our stomach is empty, it sends a signal to brain, and then brain drops the sugar level, and then we feel, okay, we are hungry, it's time to eat, trying to fill us up. And then we don't think about our fitness, we don't think about our weight loss. Everything we forget, all we want to do is just eat food until we are satiated. So today I will tell you that in order to fix this problem, you need to add more fruits and vegetables in your diet. They are high in fibers, they're most satisfying, and they are less in calories. How to do that? You need to include vegetables in every meal, either cooked or raw. Whenever you eat your meal, you need to add very large amounts of vegetables within your meal. Eat them until you are satisfied, until the point you're no longer hungry. After your meal, if you are still hungry, then you add some fruits. High in fibers, more in sugar. That sugar level is mild on your blood sugar level, and they are much better than a bag of crisps you eat after your meal, or if you are eating any high calories dessert or pudding. And normally, let's example, after your meal, if you eat fruits, you won't be able to eat as much as you eat other bad food. How many apples you can eat after a hefty meal? 1, perhaps 2, or max 3. This is the best way to fix this problem. If you have any question, please write in comments below. Please contact me. Please share this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you very soon with another interesting topic and video. Thank you.